Hi there, today we're just going to show you a short video on how to install the Renault Clio Billet Aluminium oil cap, which is what we've got here today. So this is a machined full billet part which simply replaces the original cap. You make use of the original inside that then connects to. So quite an easy installation. You need a screwdriver, which if you're very careful you can pry up the edge and pop the original out. This might take a little bit of working around the edge just so you don't damage the plastics. That is very important. So you can see I've just popped the edge there. You just work your way around to the other side and it will gradually tease out. So it's not all that complicated. That's then disconnected. So you make use of this inner part that then connects to here. You have a larger and a smaller cutout. So this is very important, and this is the only thing really to note during the installation, is make sure it is the right way, otherwise it's not going to fit properly. So make sure that's at the large part to the large part there, and simply offer up, put into position, and with a nice firm click, that is now installed. Simple as that, ready to go, and that is now extremely firm and not able to come out. So that is now ready to roll. So quite an easy installation. If for whatever reason you do want to revert back, which is very much possible, you'll just need to do the same as what we've done here, which will be prying out the inside and then clipping back onto the original. It's a nice simple installation. This product is available on our website. For any further inquiries, get in touch. Thanks a lot.